A washing machine making noise when it's off can be a puzzling issue. But there are a few key reasons this might be happening. Two major causes are an open inlet valve or cracks in the valve body. To address these problems, start by shutting off the inlet valve, as an open valve allows water to enter the machine when it's not in use, causing it to buzz. If your machine doesn't have a shut-off valve, you can turn off the cold water supply in your house instead. It's also essential to inspect the machine's valve body for any cracks, as these can cause leakages and allow water to flow into the washer, leading to noise. If the valve body is damaged, replacing it should resolve the issue. By taking these steps, you can identify and fix the problem, putting an end to the noise and ensuring your washing machine operates smoothly.